All right, so far this lesson, we've been looking at two claims. That the results we're seeing are just random chance, or they are the results of discrimination. We label these competing claims as H0 and HA. H0 is what is called the null hypothesis, or the random chance hypothesis. In this case, that the variables gender and promotion decision are independent. So they have no relationship, and any differences we see, that 29.2%, was just due to chance. The alternative hypothesis, HA, is saying that there is a difference that's not just random chance. So the variables gender decision are not independent. The difference in promotion rates, that 29.2%, was not just due to chance, and equally qualified females are less likely to be promoted than males. So again, when we're looking at data, we generally have two claims. One is that the results we are seeing from our sample is just random chance. The other way of thinking about it is that the results we see in our sample is not just random chance, that in this case there is some discrimination going on. So these hypotheses are what is part of what is called an hypothesis test. An hypothesis test is a statistical technique used to evaluate competing claims using data. Oftentimes, the null hypothesis will take the stance of no difference, no effect, that the results you're seeing, any differences you're seeing in your sample is just random chance. If the null hypothesis and the data notably disagree, that is, you think it might be random chance, but your sample data is saying that this is not, there is more going on. If there's that conflict between your sample and the hypotheses, then we will reject the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative hypothesis. So we will choose between these two competing claims by assessing if the data conflicts so much with the null hypothesis that the null hypothesis cannot possibly be reasonable, cannot be deemed reasonable. If this is the case and the data support the alternative hypothesis, then we will reject the notion of independence and conclude that these data provide strong evidence of discrimination.